So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we're back with another octane-filled OG battle, and with two very special guests today. It's our first all-female lineup racing two tuned different generations of the same car, the mighty Audi TTRS. Stay tuned for this one, it's gonna be sick. Let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. But before we get cracking, I just want to give a massive shout out to 70 My for reaching out and supporting the channel by sponsoring today's video. Founded in 2016, 70 My is an industry-leading auto intelligence company specializing in dash cams, spanning from beginner-friendly models for basic recording needs to premium 4K cameras with advanced smart features. I want to tell you guys about the all-new 70 My Dashcam Omni. It's the industry's first 360-degree full-view dashcam. This little bad boy is equipped with AI motion detection. It's designed precisely to capture any suspicious human behaviors around the vehicle when your car's parked, significantly maximizing surveillance capabilities. It also gets best-in-class night vision, which captures crystal clear footage even in low light conditions. 70 My Dashcam Omni allows for 360-degree views and also films in an enhanced frame rate of 60 frames per second, which effectively solves the problem of motion blur, clearly capturing license plates even at high speeds. Another great function of the Omni is the smart voice control. During driving, you can control the device, take photos, shoot emergency videos and record in different directions, all by voice control. Cool, right? The 70 My Dashcam Omni is extremely user-friendly, allowing you to fully install it in a matter of minutes, taking your car from unprotected to protected in no time at all. This little bad boy is worth its weight in gold. And check this, once Omni detects a collision while driving and parking, automatically emergency recording will start 5 seconds prior to collision, recovering the full truth of an accident without missing any key evidence. Just connect to the Omni's Wi-Fi and you can easily download videos straight to your phone via the official 70 My app. So guys, with that said, we know just how crazy it can get out there on the road, so why not protect your pride and joy by following the links in the description and going and grabbing the latest in dashcam tech, the mighty 70 My Dashcam Omni. Let's get back to the video. So welcome back once again to the OG Battles, where we pull up and let our cars do the talking. And today we've got two popular YouTubers, each owning similar powered, tuned different generations of the same car, going head to head to see whose Audi comes out on top. Today the girls are out to play. And in partnership with Race Logic, we're going to be carrying out two sets of races. First up today is a quarter-mile roll race. Next up, it's a drag race to the quarter mile. All races are best of 3 and the V-Box Performance Box Touch will be recording data such as 0 to 60s, quarter mile times and more to give you guys the stats on how these cars perform. Let's get over and meet both cars and their owners. So first up today, welcoming BECCA to the battles in her 2016 2.5 litre, 5-cylinder, 455 brake horsepower, 564 Nm Mark III Audi TTRS tuned by Revo. So, modifications on this little beast only consist of a Revo Stage 1 ECU tune. However, this TTRS is running the formidable Dazza engine, so do not sleep on it. The Mark III is running on Goodyear Eagle F1 street tyres and weighs in at 1440 kg, giving her a power to weight ratio of 315 brake horsepower per tonne. The TTRS drives all 4 of its wheels via its 7-speed DSG dual clutch transmission and Gen 5 Haldex drivetrain. And next up, welcoming Rachel back to the channel in her 2011 2.5 litre, 5-cylinder, 435 brake horsepower, 680 Nm Mark II TTRS built and tuned by MRC Tuning. Modifications include a forged front mount intercooler and boost pipes, a H Performance intake pipe, a K&M panel filter, an upgraded high pressure fuel pump, catless downpipes, and a Stage 2 ECU and TCU tune by MRC Tuning. Rachel's TTRS is running on Pirelli P0 street tyres and weighs in at 1475 kg, giving her a power to weight ratio of 294 brake horsepower per tonne. The Mark II also drives all 4 of its wheels, but via its 6-speed DSG dual clutch transmission and Gen 4 Haldex drivetrain. Becca, welcome to the channel.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. So it's our actual first girl versus girl race today. So
Girl
it's actually
power.
the first girl power today, literally. You're piloting the newest variant of the TTRS.
Yes.
And how do you think you're going to get on today?
I think it's going to be a tough one. Rachel's has a lot of talk more than mine,
Yes.
so I'm going to hopefully knuckle down, see what I can do and pray.
So I think, so the way she said it is, she believes that you'll have her off the launch, on the drag race, shall we say,
Yeah.
and she might have it in a roll race. I would probably think a similar thing would happen, simply because of technology and the newer variant. But again, with these cars both being able to launch very well, reaction time does count for a lot, right?
It's going to be key.
You know, so would you kind of go along with the same roll race to her, drag race to you, or are you in it to win everything?
Well, I'd like to win everything, but being realistic, I think I might just have the edge on the drag race just because this hooks up straight away.
Yeah.
And she's been saying that hers does slide a little bit, so I'm hoping it does that today just so I can get that little bit of an edge.
Okay.
But I think rolling race, she's going to have me.
Okay.
I do think that. So
All right, cool.
We'll see. I'll try my best.
That's the main thing. Listen, whatever happens today, enjoy the day and let's race.
Let's race.
Rachel, welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
Thank you for coming down.
Thanks for having me yet again.
Honestly, our pleasure here at the OG Battles. Now listen, you've got a little bit of a battle of the TTs going on today.
I know.
Old versus new. But you're a stage 2, I think she's a stage 1, right?
Yeah, pushing around similar power though.
Okay.
However, this has got a bit more torque, so maybe it might save me. I don't know, we'll have to see.
Okay, cool. So I want your expectations, drag race and roll race. How do you think it's going to pan out?
I think she'll have me on the drag race.
Okay.
However, I think with the torque, I might have it on the roll.
Okay.
So, don't know. Hopefully that's how it goes.
Yeah,
but I mean, I'll take 3 wins, 2 wins, whatever. I'm not really too fussed.
Cool. Listen, you're in it to win it today.
Yeah, of
You want
course.
confidence, yeah? All right,
always.
listen. Whatever happens, good luck and enjoy the day.
Thank you.
So, as usual, today the girls are going to be battling it out for the Sugar Coat Cup and a full set of its ultra effective, super sweet smelling ceramic waterless washes. First up is the roll races, but before they hit the strip, let's hear what they sound like. Now, the roll races work like this. The left car is the pace setting car, the two agree a start speed and the left car sets it. It's then the car on the right's job to make sure she stays by its side. As soon as they hit the start marker, it's go time. Place your bets. And in a first race shocker, Becca makes it to the line first, handing Rachel a bus-length slice of Gapperoni pizza. Let's line them back up and see if anything changes.
Maybe she don't have more torque.
Whew. That shocked me. Bloody hell.
And although Rachel manages to close the gap on that one, Becca still takes the win, taking victory by around 2.5 cars. So let's have a deeper dive into the roll race data using a V-Box PBT and the fastest 100 to 200 kph times achieved during the runs. Unsurprisingly, BECCA and the Mark III run the fastest time, going 100 to 200 kph in just 7.69 seconds. Rachel, not too far behind, runs a best 100 to 200 kph time of 8.72 seconds. That's data to back up the results. And round 1 goes to BECCA and the mighty Mark III. Next up, it's the drag races. Is this where Rach pulls one back? Place your bets. And Rachel leaves first with her lightning fast reactions, but BECCA manages to chase her down, drives round her and just beats her to the finish line by around a car and a half's length. That was nuts. Let's line them back up and see what happens. Ready.
Ready?
And after an ultra close start to the race, Rachel's car does not play ball, hitting a limiter and handing the race to BECCA, who makes it to the line a train length in front. And that, my friends, was all she wrote. So let's just take a quick look at the fastest quarter mile and 0 to 60 times achieved from the races using a V-Box PBT. And as expected, BECCA and the Mark III cover the quarter mile the quickest in just 11.07 seconds at a speed of 125 miles per hour. Rachel and the Mark II not far off pace, covering the quarter mile in 11.39 seconds at a speed of 121 miles per hour. However, both cars just off pace to make it onto the leaderboard. Then taking a look at the fastest 0 to 60 times achieved, once again BECCA proves fastest, hitting 60 in a rapid 2.90 seconds. Rachel, once again not far off pace, hits an impressive best 0 to 60 time of 3.16 seconds. However, once again, both cars not quite quick enough to make it onto the board. So today, all rounds go to BECCA and her Mark III TTRS. She lifts the Sugarcoat Cup and takes home a full set of its super sweet smelling ceramic waterless washes. Congrats. So today was an epic first all-female face-off between two like-minded petrol heads. But today, the newer Mark III TTRS just proved the superior car in all aspects, but did have a better power-to-weight ratio and newer tech advantages. It won all races, running faster times throughout the day, doing it with no external hardware or modifications, showing just how capable the mighty Dazza engine actually is with just an ECU tune. Rachel put up a great fight with lightning fast reactions off the line, but possibly hampered a little bit by a slipping clutch from a dig. Either way, big up to both girls for stepping up and laying rubber. So guys, don't forget to check the links in the description to the 70mi Dashcam Omni, and whilst you're there, show both girls' YouTube channels some love by dropping them a follow. And don't forget to let me know which one of the two TTs you prefer and why. Also, don't forget you can save 20% off the whole Sugarcoat product range by using my unique code OG20. Links can be found down below in the description. Go on, treat your car. And if you have enjoyed today's races, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't miss another battle by smashing that notifications bell. And we'll be back, same place, same time, with another crazy OG battle. Peace out.